Once upon a time, I had an idea in Silicon Valley.
I wrote it out on a piece of paper. Somebody gave me $1 million. Not so much anymore.
Yes, great. Besides running a company full-time and guaranteeing that engineers are happy, it is also a CEO's job to fundraise. To help you at this challenging task, we invite the angel investor Nicola Cordine to share a piece of advice on how to fundraise.
You know, we say that the optimum time is really driven by your needs. And what that means largely is once you have some traction, once you have some validation, it's probably a good time to start thinking about how much money should I be raising. So people say, well, isn't there a magic number that I should go ask to raise? If I put on paper anything less than $1 million, people just are going to think that I'm silly. It has nothing to do with the number that you actually put down as being sensible. What you really want to be looking at is what is the set of critical milestones that are going to get you to the point where you can then see a financing round from a traditional venture capitalist coming in, usually in a period of 12 to 18 months, at an up round in valuation.
How much money should I be raising? That's the kind of question you might need to ask yourself after you have some validation. So, first of all, tell me more about your business traction.
So the value of your company today is one thing, but what you want to be really thinking about is what is Sequoia, what is Kleiner, what are Battery going to be looking for me to bring to them in 12 to 18 months time that will validate I'm on the right track and now they want to write me a big check for $5 to $10 million.
Fundraising might require some patience. You don't want to spend 1.5 years fundraising, but you might consider spending a couple of months.
Traditionally, it takes about 3 to 4 months to pull in an angel round of over $1 million. These days, Silicon Valley with AngelList, crowdfunding, and a bunch of these other things can pull together a little bit faster than the 3 to 4 month time frame, but I still say for most entrepreneurs, you want to give yourself a 3 to 4 month window to do a full round closing. That means identifying a lead, that means finding a few other angel groups to come in. Most angel groups are going to be good for somewhere between 3 to 500K, so if you need 1.5 million, that tells you from the get-go, start the process with at least 3 to 4 angel groups so that you can bring this talented round of money together quickly. You don't want to be doing fundraising for 1.5 years, and I see that happen time and time again. And it's so frustrating to the poor entrepreneur because they never feel like they're stopping the fundraising and actually getting back to what it is that they want to be doing, and that's building the business.
Whoa, that was a lot of information. Luckily, you can watch our video over and over again. I just want to see you go out there and dazzle some investors.